construction has always adapted throughout the ages to new health and safety legislations. We're taking that responsibility to make sure everybody on this site feels safe and secure. Coronavirus impacted, we tried to sort of work through, but in the government guidance, the 2 metre social distance was the main problem, so we shut the site for 4 weeks. During the shutdown period, we reviewed the Construction Leadership Council's site operating procedures, government guidance which was coming out daily. There was work task force set up with a lot of our supply chain, a lot of our key workers, project managers. So whenever sort of version 3 of site operating procedures came out from the CLC, that let us fully develop a new operating procedure, P22, directly related to the coronavirus. And from that then we've sort of made a lot of amendments on site, predominantly around the social distancing and working on a hierarchy of control as to how we can minimise men working within 2 metres of each other. And again, to have some tasks that has to be done safely under new guidance. And then Farrans came back for a week of remobilisation where we set up under the new guidelines to maintain everybody's health and safety on site and work as best as we could to continue with the construction process. We are going to always follow government guidance. Site specific, we were fortunate with the numbers that we have for our welfare facilities. That involved us turning a 30-man canteen into a 5-man canteen so as we can maintain the 2 metre social distance. Lunch breaks are now taken up into shifts. Coming onto site, you come through a gate. The gate is opened in the morning so there's no need to touch the gate. Sanitising station, as soon as you come through, sanitise your hands. Then you come down, there's a declaration form and temperature check done to make sure that you're not above 38 degrees. It's given everybody comfort on the site that we couldn't maintain it with some of the tasks that were being carried out, and the guys have always bought into these new changes, which makes it easier to manage on site when you have a proactive workforce that want to work and want to be safe. The current stage of the construction is coming out of the ground here in the basement level. We're also starting to bring it up to first floor. We are trying to get the footprint and starting to get the formwork with the RC frame up in place in the next couple of months. Next stage of the build will be to complete the basement slab, and then we can start decking out and creating podium slab, which will actually be a ground floor of the building. On one of the sections over beside the listed building, we're actually up to the first floor slab area. Hopefully by the end of August we should have the complete structure up as an RC frame and ready for the next stage would be internals. The envelope of METSEC, then brickwork, windows, internally be partitions, M&E, and progressing through that way. I'm Stephen Burke, Project Manager for Farrans Construction on the Hendon Hall project, which is a 102-bed care home for Signature Senior Lifestyle.